Welcome to Photography Course 101, Episode 13. Today, we're diving into white balance. White balance is a crucial camera setting that adjusts colors, ensuring that objects appearing white in person are rendered white in your photos. It compensates for the color temperature of light, measured in Kelvin, so all colors look natural and accurate, avoiding unnatural orange or blue hues. Why is this important? Unlike our brains, which adjust automatically, digital camera sensors do not. This is where auto white balance, or AWB, comes in. The camera makes an educated guess, but it can struggle with mixed lighting or scenes dominated by a single color. Daylight or sunny presets add warmth. The cloudy or shade setting adds even more warmth to counteract the blue hues of shadows and overcast weather. Tungsten settings add blue to cool down warm yellow indoor bulbs, while fluorescent settings correct the greenish tint often found in office lighting. For precise control, you can dial in an exact Kelvin temperature. While it aims for true-to-life colors, it can also be manipulated for artistic effects. Mastering white balance will elevate your skills. I'm Simon from Photo Discount World. Happy shooting!